are officially in 2026. This is the first video of the year, and I wanted to start the year with you together, making a vision board, action board, becoming board, whatever you want to call it. Here are the results for my past year.
Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the
Because we are already in January and I'm making this in January first week, we are only going to prepare for the first 4 months of the year. We will only focus on the four aspects. So I'll walk you through how I make my becoming board or action board. I'm refraining from calling this a vision board anymore because it's not a vision board, it's an action board for me to understand what all things I need to do in the coming 4 months. I recommend that we continuously change our action board with 4 months or 3 months time frame. So let's get into it. This is how I have divided my life into. The four segments that we are going to focus on is going to be physical, material, financial, and personal goals. Physical is going to be, like you can see here, is related to your body. So your workouts, your positivity, body positivity, your it can be clear skin, it can be hair, related to hair or clear skin, or anything at all related to your body. The material aspect of your life is whatever you want to get materialistically for between these times. So a new phone, probably for me, a new phone, a new house, I want to travel. So that is also something that I'm going to focus on in materialistic things. Financial, I want to build a safety net. That is why I have it here. The job, if I want to change my job or something, if you want to do, want to change your job or update your job or anything related to your job that you're wanting to focus on, that you can take your business, whatever brings you money comes into your financial part of the life. Personal goals are your love life, family time, the self love, self development, anything that you want to give your time in. So whenever you say something such as workout, this is very vague. You need to focus, you need to have very niche things that you want to do in workout. Here I have listed, if I want to work out, what all things that I want to do. So the three toning exercises that I want to do is going to be Pilates that I want to do. So 3 times a week I'm going to do Pilates. Two long walks. This can be any extracurriculum activity. So two aspects of your week should be something that is extracurriculum. I want to learn cycling and I want to learn swimming. So I've added these two things here. And one workout that you're going to do daily without any fail. One thing that you are going to do each day. And that is for me is going to be a treadmill stretch that I do right now. So here I have listed what all images do I want. One is going to be my treadmill related, one is going to be a cycling or swimming, anything that I want to do, and one pick is going to be related to Pilates. So I suggest that we do at least four images, and four images could be like I have divided things. So now for physical attributes, I'll need four images related to one each subject. For material, I want to travel to Goa. This is going to be my images of beaches or anything that I would, from behind my camera, would take a photo of. So, two images of that, and the phone that I want to get, two images of that phone. Financially, I want to start freelancing. So, working in a cafe is something that gives me joy and something that I look forward to. I want to do that. So, I'll have two images of that. I wanted to take YouTube seriously, and so I'm going to have one image of editing a video and one image of how many watch hours I am trying to get on my YouTube channel. For the personal attributes, I'm not looking into relationships or finding love right now, so that I am not putting. If you are looking into a, if you want a partner, you can obviously put that in this segment. So spending time with my family, I want to read more books, I want to spend my time doing that. Then I am writing a book and I want to start actually working on it and finish that book. and then I want to reduce my screen time. So these are the things that I'm going to add for my personal attributes. Now all of these are going to have at least two images. I have written down what all I want to do and what all images that I'm going to put. I went to the Pinterest, I got all my images. All the images that you see are such that resonate with me, or I would personally take these images from my phone. This is something that I would click 100%. So now we go to Canva. You can see that I have divided my vision board into four different aspects. One is physical, financial, material, and personal, like we did for our basic outline of what we want to focus on. I have all the images that I want to put here, and we'll start placing things now. As you can see, this is the outline. I have added all the things from my physical, materialistic, personal, everything that I want to do in coming 4 months. I have also added some quotes that resonate with me personally, such as what I want wants more, want me more, and let it all work out. I always say these words to me consciously, and then I look at it, and then it subconsciously builds up. So these are the few things. I do not like this image, so I'm just going to quickly change it to this one. So basically, it is all about what you find to be the best, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to look at. It's completely how you want to place things, your action board. So I have laid everything out. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this, I'm not actually going to print it. I have it on my WhatsApp chat background. I also have it on my mobile wallpaper, my screensaver. So everywhere I look at first or last in the day, or whenever I'm working, I make sure that this is in front of me, and I keep on. So I give at least 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the evening to visualize at least one aspect of what I am doing throughout the day. So this helps me understand where I stand in terms of my action board, because this is an action board, not a vision board. You must understand that at least one action has to be done from your four we have categorized it in four, right? At least one action from all four of these should happen. At least one thing from your action board has to happen per day, and that is how it helped me to achieve the things that I wanted to achieve last year. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Levitating with you, anything can happen. What you think we should do? Let tonight begin. We're just flying high. We're not